is Gingerine, and I think I just didn't record that last episode. So...
Oops. Oh jeez. Oh jeez, the beefalo. No, leave me alone, the beefalo.
Nothing really happened in this last one. Did you replant the freaking meat bush though? Oh no.
No,
no,
I planted
got it.
more.
Okay.
Help! Help! He's there now. Just chilling.
Can we cook this? Oh. Yeah, we can. It's fuel. Okay. So the last episode, we got really wet and we're losing our minds.
We're gonna have to kill him.
And we made a lightning rod. And we made some good jokes. Oh my god, you're not going to be able to kill him though. You're just not. Oh my god. Oh my god!
Oh, they
now
don't
they're
like it.
all attacking you! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, he hit me really hard.
Run away!
Pig, attack! Attack, pig!
Oh, that is so funny. Oh my gosh. It's still raining.
Oh no.
Please stop. Please stop raining. Please.
Oh, it's
Please.
raining, so my stuff is slippery.
Your stuff?
Yeah, I keep dropping my tools.
Oh no. Oh no, the spider web next to us is now a tier 2. That's less than ideal. Okay, where are you? I'm gonna light some stuff on fire.
I'm dying.
Oh, well, that's nice.
Oh,
I
I'm
see
coming
you.
to you.
I found you.
alright, let's go light something on fire.
I'm excited.
Start with this tree next to the spiders.
Oh god.
I might take... Oh, I dropped my spear again. Oh. Aha, I'm lighting fire.
Can I attack them with my lighter?
Oh gosh, I dropped... Oh gosh, I'm on fire. Need to pick up my axe. Diamonds! Alright, we need to get rid of this.
Oh no!
Ow, I'm on fire. Oh, there's green spiders! Oh, they jump! I'm dead! No!
You scary ghost!
Haunting him.
Okay, I think I can make a heart. I have to go up to the alchemy machine.
No, you're being chased. He's confused, I hope. Well, the pig's taking out the spider.
Oh my gosh, where's the heart
gosh.
thing?
Oh gosh. There's a war happening next to you. You got pigs and spiders and beefalos. I hope that spider managed to kill those things.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh no. Oh no. I'm out of wood too, so is there wood?
There's wood in the chest, yeah.
Oh, open chest, not lighted on fire.
I haunted the chest.
Oh, I need to, okay, I need to drop that. Then I need to store that in there. Cool. And I need, oh god, I need to pick this back up. And I need to,
Oh gosh.
oh my god, Thomas, what did you do? You're gonna be the death of me. Haunting beefalos.
I'm trying not to get... I'm trying to get him away.
Okay.
Go away!
Wow, that's actually working. Alright, where's the thing?
Go! Be gone!
Where's the
Go!
heart thing? Is it a tool?
Refine?
Is it under refine?
There's a thing called effigies, I think.
Yeah, but you have to have a ton of meat.
Oh, jeez, jeez. No! Come here! I haunted it.
Oh my god!
Leave! This is when I haunted an angry buffalo.
I'm starving to death and I'm being chased by a beefalo.
Go away, beefalo. Still chasing you. No.
This is how we die.
Okay, he's gone. He's leaving you alone now.
Okay, I have to eat this.
I have a strange feeling we're gonna have to move camp away from the beefalo.
I have a strange feeling it's not gonna matter in about a minute.
You should put stuff on the fire.
Oh shit, we went too far. Hold on.
Go away. Oh,